As you just mentioned, there's immense demand for this type of technology and this type of solution, which of course is something that potential investors always look for in a acquisition target. Besides that, can you talk about why potential investors may want to target the manufacturing technology space as opposed to, acquiring the individual therapies that are developed and manufactured themselves?
Yeah, developing cell therapies is very risky. Statistically, around 90% of biotech companies that are developing a drug, whether it be a cell therapy or any other kind of drug, fail. So 90% of biotechs fail. And from that perspective, it makes a lot of sense to invest in a company like Cellares, because we're actually serving the entire industry, all biotechs, all pharma companies, and with 2,800 drugs in development today, 2,800 cell therapies in development today, some of them will come through. And if only one comes through, and we make one drug in commercial scale manufacturing, that already translates into billions of dollars in revenue. So it's a very, very exciting business. And needless to say that long term, we won't have one drug in commercial scale manufacturing out of the Cellares IDMO, but many. And that's an even more exciting business to be in.